Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, today is the first day in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and man, have we got a cool prize to start things off. Now, every year when the weather starts turning a little bit colder and the leaves are falling from the trees, and I know Christmas time is coming, I get super excited because it gives me a chance to give back to all the viewers that have supported the Drone Valley channel all year. And nothing makes me happier than running a contest, picking a winner, and sending off a prize knowing that person and their family are going to love flying that new drone. Or maybe it's a security camera like this that you can put up on your back porch, and with your wife and your kids, you can watch those deer running through the snow, or those two squirrels out there having a snowball fight. Or maybe it's some kind of charging solution that you can use to get out the door in the morning a little bit quicker. For me, giving back to the community is an important part of what I do, and I love this time of year because we're going to run a lot of these contests. So today is the first contest. There are going to be 11 more, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel because if you don't win this one, you got 11 more chances going forward, so you definitely want to be here to enter that contest. Now, I thought before I talk about the product, I try and spread a little bit of Christmas joy. I know it's early, but bear with me on this one. So what did the three wise men say after they offered up their gifts of frankincense and gold? Wait, there's myrrh. Anyway, on the first day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Blink outdoor camera system. That's right, you're getting the whole kit and caboodle. Inside here is the brand new Blink outdoor camera. It's their Gen 2 camera. It's phenomenal. HD 1080p streaming video. It uploads stuff to the clouds. It includes the camera, the sync module, the power supply, the cable, 2 batteries, everything you need, the mounting hardware. So basically you open up the box, you slap a couple batteries in it, you stick it up on the wall, and you can watch that footage from anywhere in the world. It's a complete system. I've used it around the house. I love these cameras. Now I've got a full review of this coming next week on the channel. So if you don't know what it's all about, there's a link below. You can go to Amazon and check it out. But if you want to know more about it, we'll be doing a full review, but we're giving it away. And the contest could not be simpler to win. We try to make these things drop dead simple. We don't want you jumping through a lot of hoops. So down below, you'll find a link. If you click the link, a form will come up. Just put your subscriber name, your YouTube subscriber name in there, and your email in there. And what we'll do after 7 days, we close the contest. We pick a random email out of that list. Now, we're not keeping your emails. I know a lot of people are saying, oh, you're going to keep the emails and start spamming me. We're not going to spam you. We're going to get rid of all the emails when we're done, but I need them to get in contact with you. And the reason we ask for your subscriber name and your email is because I have 2 ways to get a hold of you, because you would not believe the amount of times people have won a contest. I'll send an email and they never get back to me, and I got to move on, and it breaks my heart. So enter the contest with that form below. After 7 days, we're going to pick a winner. I'm going to put this in a box. I don't care where in the world you live. You could live in Cucamonga. I think that's a place. I'm not sure. I think I may have used that last year and somebody scolded me for it. But if you're in Cucamonga, you got a pretty good shot at winning this. But anyway, we're going to ship it to you free. There are no strings attached. We're not asking for anything. There's no shipping charges. It's all on us. I just want to be able to spread some joy. This has been a really tough year for all of us for a million different reasons. And if there's anything I can do to bring a little bit of joy into 12 people's lives at this time of year, I'm all about that. So enter the contest. We're going to pick a winner in 7 days. We're going to ship it off to you. You can hook this thing up and have a lot of fun with it over the winter season. Anyway, that's it for today. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm telling you, no matter what you like, if you're a nerd, there's another 11 nerdy things that are coming. You're definitely going to be here and win one of those. But anyway, that's it for today. So thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, but make sure you enter the contest because I want to give this thing away. Anyway, till next time, thanks again for watching and happy flying.